All right. So everybody, good evening and again, welcome to Japanese 101. All right. This is our first session and tonight, ito po yung mangyayari. We have greetings and attendance na ginawa na natin kanina. Orientation, what is this course about? We will have some self-introduction. Mamaya, isa-isa po kayo. Icebreaker. Number 5, things to know before learning Japanese. Number 6, some classroom expressions na gagamitin natin, no? And then, dun na tayo sa hiragana, which is the focus of this course. Ayan. All right. So, welcome, students. Welcome po. All right. Ano ba tong Japanese 101 course? Okay. This is Introduction to Basic Japanese. It focuses on the mastery of reading and writing basic Japanese characters, which are hiragana and katakana. Okay? So some of you may be nakakabasa na ng hiragana characters, but hindi lang naman characters ang kailangan mabasa natin, kundi sentences. Okay? And other than the 46 characters each sa hiragana and katakana, meron pang mga rules. Okay? So yun po yung aaralin natin sa course na ito. Okay? And this is recommended for those who have no background in Japanese. So katulad ng question ko sa inyo kanina, kung first time nyo ba mag-aral ng Japanese and most of you said yes, so this is perfect for you. Okay po? All right. So for the course duration and schedule, this course will be a total of 15 hours, 1.5 hours, times 10 sessions, and